Here's a look at the market action from Monday. The stock market is in a wait-and-see mode ahead of the FOMC meeting this week. Ellen Neckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. Clearly, we are ahead of the Fed.
So we're seeing the market subdued, but most importantly, steady and stable. We saw the VIX last Friday, hit the lowest level it had been in 3 weeks. So we've had a nice, healthy comeback and some follow-through after that big rush up that we saw last Tuesday.
A lot of people are talking about the FANG names. There was some bouncing to the upside in some of the tech stocks.
Oh, a tech takeoff. I think we've seen this before, so we'll see if it can continue. We had both Facebook and Apple now have pretty healthy recovery and obviously have such an impact on that sector. But yeah, you're seeing some of the big boys bounce back.
What about the S&P 500? What technically are you watching there?
So 2,900 is an important level psychologically. We did get up to 2,910 last week, so if we can take that out, this corrective little pullback here targets 2,950, 2,960. That would be all-time highs once again. And remember, we're only 2% away.
Any feeling about the Fed?
I feel that they're not going to do anything. I don't think they're going to surprise, but if they did surprise, the market would probably take that as very much a positive if there was a surprise rate cut. But what we're pricing in are 2 cuts, a 0.5% cut in July. So they may give us a little bit now and a little bit later.
That would be interesting. Any trades, or where would you want to be right now in the market?
I still think that financials have suffered, a little bit more than they should have. So look for those to bounce back as sometimes money flows can come back into that sector that's been beaten down.
Well, the financials definitely will reflect what's happening with the Fed because the banks are the first to prosper when rates go up, or maybe lose some money when rates go down.
Right, but I think that's already been factored in.
You do.
And, I still think the banks can figure out a way to make money in any market environment.
Oh,
that's why they're banks. That's why the money is in the bank.
The banks are good.
All right.